Welcome back everyone. It's time for an unboxing video. The Amazon man has just arrived. Let's get this open. They're just nothing. This is what I wanted. Oh, it's not even well packaged. Look at that. 155 HS watch repair kit tools. Look at that. It's not even sellotaped down. Then look at it. Jesus. I'm going to take a rough guess and say they go in there. Not sure why that went, but I'll stick it in there. As you can see, that is a repair kit. You got the ratchet, got pliers. Not sure what you need there. Oh yeah, get this one out. Then we got the watch strap remover, all your tools, eyepiece. Is that an eyepiece or an eyepiece? Picker, I don't think that's going to be thin here. I think that's a bit too thick for what I need. But everything else is there. Spare pins, drives, screws. There's one out. Yeah, that's still a bit thick. And there you have it. The HS watch repair kit. Got instructions of what everything does. Yeah. I've got to clean this mess up because it's, look at it. The box wasn't sealed, that's a downside. It was just, which I think was a bit daft. But, and there you have it. Can't wait to start using that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.